You've been lied to about making money on Amazon. They tell you that you need a website, a blog, an email list, even paid ads. But that's all wrong. Check this out. I found this short with 116 million views promoting a $15 car safety tool. With Amazon's 4.5% commission, that's 68 cents per sale. I know, 68 cents. That seems like nothing. But just stick with me. If only 1% of the people who saw that video bought it, that's 1.16 million sales. Which means that one video could have made over $788,000 from one video for a product they don't even own. And they didn't stop there. They reposted the same video on TikTok, Instagram Reels, everywhere. One video just raking in paychecks over and over. Now, I can already hear you saying, yeah, but I can't make a video like that. But what if you didn't need to? With AI, you can create videos this good with a realistic person who can hold, use, or demonstrate any product you choose in under 60 seconds. The hard part isn't making the video anymore. The hard part is knowing what to sell. And I'll show you exactly that. So let's not waste another second. It all starts with step 1, finding a product that people actually want to buy.
Finding a winning product is simpler than you think. You don't need fancy software, you just need to know where to look on Amazon and what to look for. Start by going straight to Amazon's Movers and Shakers page. This shows you products that are exploding in sales right now. I always start in the kitchen category. The products are great and the commissions are solid, around 4.5%. Now, scan quickly. You're only looking for 3 things. First, the price. Aim for $30 to $200. This is the sweet spot. Too cheap means low commission, too expensive means fewer buyers. Second, the reviews. Look for 100 to 15,000 reviews. Too few means it's untested, too many means it's oversaturated. And third, the star rating. 4 stars or higher always. When you find one, do the final test. Take the product name and search for it on Google. If the results are all from big stores like Walmart or Target, skip it. But if you see blog reviews, YouTube videos, or Pinterest pins, that's your green light. It means real people are already promoting this and making sales. There's proven demand and there's still room for you. And just like that, we found a winner. Now for the best part. Let's use AI to turn this into a video that sells. This is where TopView AI really comes in. They've just released something called Product Avatar 2, and honestly, it's the biggest jump I've seen in AI video for e-commerce. Before this, AI avatars were basically just talking heads. They could narrate, but they couldn't physically interact with a product. With Product Avatar 2, that all changes. You simply upload a product image and the AI generates a complete video where the model actually demonstrates your product, holding it, testing it, even wearing it, just like a real content creator would. As an affiliate marketer, this is the kind of tool we've been waiting for. And the best part, you can test it out for free. I've put the link to TopView AI in the description below. Go sign up so you can follow along with me every step as I build a video. So once you log in, you'll see a big button that says Start for Free. Click it and it'll take you straight into your dashboard. Here, you'll find a wide variety of options, each one helping you create the perfect video. But today, we're focusing on the best tool they have. From the AI Avatar Tools menu, choose Product Avatar. It's the most professional option available. This brings you to the Avatar Selection page. Here you can browse a wide variety of realistic pre-made avatars ready to promote your product. You can even upload your own photo or design a completely custom avatar from scratch to get the exact look you want. You can also use the filters to sort avatars by ethnicity, gender, or category. So if you're promoting things like large appliances, outdoor gear, kitchen products, or fashion, you'll see avatars already designed for that. Since I'm promoting a kitchen product, I'll select kitchen appliances. Look how many friendly, relatable avatars pop up. From the list, I'm going to choose this one right here. Now let's grab our product image. Head over to Amazon and download the main product image to your computer. Next, go back to TopView and click on Product Image. Upload your product photo. Make sure Manually Selected is turned on. This lets you place your product exactly where you want it beside your avatar. Here's where you can clean things up. Select Refine Cutout and erase any unwanted parts of the image. For example, I'll erase this book, then hit Confirm. Once that's done, just click Generate and wow! Look how naturally your product fits next to your avatar. It already looks like a real ad. Next, pick your favorite version, then below the image, click Create Avatar.
For the highest quality, make sure Avatar 2 is selected. Now, for the voiceover, you can upload your own, but for this tutorial, we'll just use the text-to-audio feature. That means we need a solid script. Here's my secret sauce. Go back to your Amazon product page, scroll down to About this item, and copy all the text. Then open ChatGPT and paste it in. I've also included my free premium TikTok and YouTube Shorts Amazon script generator prompt in the description. It's built to turn boring product descriptions into high-converting scripts that actually make people want to buy. Just copy the prompt, drop it into ChatGPT above the About this item text, hit generate, and boom, you've got a sales script that makes people want the product. Copy that script, go back to top view, and paste it into the script section. From here, you can pick a voice, either use one of theirs or even clone your own. I usually let the AI automatically match a voice to the avatar. It's surprisingly good. You can also add stylish subtitles from this menu to help keep viewers engaged. Once everything looks good, click Generate. All right, here's the final result. Watch this.
Amazon kitchen find you'll wish you got sooner. This Cosori air fryer with TurboBlaze tech makes food crispy in minutes. I was tired of soggy fries and greasy cleanups. Now everything cooks evenly with 95% less oil. It's quiet, easy to clean, and the basket fits family meals. Don't wait, link's in my bio, grab it before it sells out.
Wow, just look at that. See how naturally the avatar demonstrates the product? It feels completely real. You'd honestly think a real creator filmed it. The movement, the tone of voice, the way it highlights the features, everything comes across as authentic and convincing. This is the kind of high-quality content that builds trust and drives sales. Now, go ahead and download your video. We'll be using it shortly. But first, we need to take an important step: adding your product to a free online store.
All right, for this part, we're going to use a totally free platform called Kit.co. It's super simple. It lets you build a clean, professional storefront for all your Amazon affiliate products in just a few minutes. I actually have a full step-by-step tutorial video already made that shows you exactly how to set everything up. You can find the link for that right in the description below this video. So once you logged into your Kit account, click the little plus icon and select Create a New Kit. This is basically your new store page. Now, give it a catchy name that makes people curious. Something like My Favorite Amazon Finds or Essential Home Gadgets for 2025 works great. Next, you'll want to write a quick description. Just tell people what they can expect to find. Keep it simple, like discover the Amazon products I use and love every single day. Then don't forget to add a few hashtags here, like Amazon Finds or Home Essentials. This just helps other people discover your store when they're browsing. Okay, now for the important part, adding your product. Head over to your product on Amazon. Click on the Get Link button in your affiliate toolbar, then choose the full link option and copy that entire link. Come back to your Kit store and paste that link right into the box. You'll see it pulls in the product picture and everything automatically. Now, the title it gives you might be really long and technical. I like to shorten it and make it more appealing. You can change it to something simpler and more exciting right here. When you're happy with how it looks, just click Add to Kit. Then click View Kit, and you'll see your product sitting right there in your very own store. How cool is that? You can add as many products as you want. Just hit Add Product and paste another link. To really make your store look professional, add a cover image. You can get amazing free photos from sites like Pexels. Just download one you like, upload it here, and it instantly makes your store look polished and legit. And that's it. Your store is now live. Whenever someone buys through your store, you earn a commission. So now that your store is ready, the next step is all about how to drive traffic to it. Let's keep going. And right now, one of the absolute best ways to drive traffic to your store is through YouTube Shorts. They're free, they're easy to make, and they have the potential to reach thousands, even millions of people in a very short time. That's the kind of reach we want. First, head over to youtube.com. If you don't have a channel set up yet, no worries at all. I've got a full tutorial that walks you through creating a professional channel, and you can find the link for that video in the description below. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture and go to YouTube Studio. From the menu on the left, select Customization, then go to the Basic Info tab.
Scroll down to the links section and click add link. Here's what you do. Go back to your kit.com store, click on the 3 dots and copy your store's link. Come back to YouTube and paste that link into the box. For the title, keep it super simple and clear, something like "Get the product here" or "Shop my Amazon finds." This step is really important because it puts your store link right in your channel's bio. And don't forget, for YouTube Shorts, the only place you can have a clickable link is in your bio. You can't put it in the description or in the comments. So always remind viewers to check the link in my bio. Now, let's upload your short. Click the Create button and select Upload Video. Then drag and drop your video file right into the window. For your title, keep it short, catchy, and proven to work. Since this is a kitchen gadget, something like "This Amazon find changed my cooking" or "The #1 kitchen gadget you need in 2025" works perfectly. In the description, just reuse the same title, then add a few key hashtags like shorts, YouTube Shorts, and Amazon finds so more people can discover it. And right here, don't skip this part. Make sure to set your video to "Not Made for Kids." Now, let's talk tags. Start with Shorts and YouTube Shorts. Then to find the best keywords, head over to rapidtags.io. Paste your video title in the search box, hit enter, and it will generate a list of viral, relevant keywords. Just copy them, go back to YouTube, and paste them into your tags section. This step helps YouTube show your video to exactly the right people.
Finally, let's schedule your short. I found that posting between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. EST usually gives you the best reach. So pick a time in that window, hit schedule, and you're good to go. And here's the real secret: consistency. Don't post the same product again and again. Instead, post a brand new short every 2 days, each one featuring a different product. This not only tests what sells, but it also tells YouTube your channel is active, which means they'll push your videos to more people. And trust me on this, I was recording a tutorial just like this one last year, and while I was still filming on a brand new account, I got 2 sales instantly. That's how powerful shorts really are. And remember, don't just stop at YouTube. Upload the same video on TikTok and Instagram Reels too. Same content, but now you're tripling your chances of going viral and making sales. So here's what I need from you. Comment "me" if you're really gonna commit to this strategy. If I get 50 "me" comments on this video, I'll drop another game-changing tutorial showing you even more advanced tricks like this one. God bless you all, and I'll catch you in the next one.